Okay, hey you guys, this is Sun Kwon. I'm Jerry. Okay, today I will give you the example of 는 particle, episode 5. Okay, let's see the first example. Okay, can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's kimchi. 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 Very popular Korean food, kimchi. Okay? Have you ever tried kimchi before? No? Right. I think any foreigner trying kimchi would say, "Oh, it's very hard, very spicy. Hey, please give me some water, please." Something like that. Okay? Alright. Anyway, now, how can you say this image in Korean? Just imagine that you had one slice of kimchi. Okay? Right. So kimchi is like that. Kimchi. 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 Okay? Chi. The ending is what? The bowl ending. Alright? So, you can add 는 or 가, right? 는 or 가. Okay, so, what kind of particle? Yes, 는 particle. 김치는 매워요. 김치는 매워요. 김치는 매워요. Kimchi is spicy. Kimchi is very hot. Okay? Why? Because you have had kimchi before. Right? Your experience. Okay? Okay. But you know what? When you get the taste of kimchi, I guarantee you will be fond of. Alright, okay, next slide. A woman is in a motorboat. Well, I guess she is rich. Motorboat. Okay? But anyway, one day, this woman asked me, like, "Hey Jerry, I want to visit Korea with my boat. Can I go there by boat?" What? From LA to Korea? By your boat? Oh my god, are you crazy? Hey, no way, you can't. Maybe it will take 3 days or so. Something like that. Okay? Simply, you know, I know. Airplane is faster than a ship, right? Okay? From your experience, right? So nobody wouldn't be on a ship to go to a foreign country. Okay? So let's say just 배. In Korea we can say just a motorboat as itself, right? Motorboat English, but we can say that, okay? Something like bus or taxi. Okay, anyway, so 배 finishes bowl. So 배는 느려요. 배는 느려요. Right? 배는 느려요. 느려요 means slow. 배는 느려요. 배는 느려요. Okay? So don't ever think about that. Okay? To go to Korea by your boat. Right? Okay, so move on. Next example. Wow, what a cute. She's so cute, right? Oh my god. Alright, she's biting her master's slipper. Okay, well, I think you had some experience to see one of your friends who was very sad after saying goodbye to his pet dog, right? You know, pet dog or pet animal is not a just animal, right? But a family member to them. So it's easy to say in Korean, right? This image is 강아지, 강아지, puppy, 강아지, 강아지. Okay, 강아지, particle, boson, 야, 는. Okay, 강아지는 가족이에요. 강아지는 가족이에요. 가족 means family. Okay? 강아지는 가족이에요. Okay? Right. So, you can say another pet animal, right? Of your family. Like if you have a cat, okay? The cat is 고양이. So, 고양이는 가족이에요. 고양이는 가족이에요. Something like that. Okay? Alright. And is today's last example. Okay. This is what? 태권도. Yeah, 태권도. Okay? So, any black belt person in the whole world in taekwondo, right? So you learned taekwondo because you were attracted by its fantastic kicking. Okay. Before that, you were told from somebody. Okay. Taekwondo is a Korean martial art, right? So you got to know that, right? Taekwondo is one of the Korean traditional martial arts. But actually, there are kinds of martial arts in Korea. Okay, anyway, it's not difficult to say, is it? Right? So, taekwondo, taekwondo는 한국 무술이에요. 태권도는 한국 무술이에요. Okay? Right. 한국 무술, Korean martial art. Okay? 태권도는 한국 무술이에요. Alright? Okay. So, have a good day. 좋은 하루 되세요. Okay? So, 는, remember. 는, and in episode 4, 은 is about your experience, okay, in your lifetime. Okay? Remember. Okay, subscribe please if you like it. Alright? Okay, see you next time. Bye.